Welcome back. Time now for the financial week. The Jamaica Stock Exchange's combined index ended the week down 2.67%. The bulk of that was registered on Monday, with the market falling by 2.66% and wiping out millions. Our business reporter Javon Keys spoke with an analyst who says despite the decline, investors don't need to be worried.
What happened on Monday particularly?
No, I just think it's more of the same, Javon. I don't think there's anything specific. The market's down maybe 8% year to date in general, and we just see, stocks continuing to pull back a little bit. And, we're not particularly surprised given the, environment, the increasing interest rates.
You mentioned the increasing interest rates as one factor, but what are some of the other overarching factors? For instance, the global jitters concerning what's happening in the US that could have factored in, would you think?
No, I think this time of the year is pretty interesting. A lot of folks are, making their tax payments. There's a pretty successful BOJ auction just 2 weeks ago that pulled about $70 billion of interest with a yield of about 8.49%. So I think a lot of people are on the sidelines sort of waiting to see, what's going to happen. And I think it's going to be like that for the next, 3-4 months. I think the first half of the year is going to be, a bit challenging, particularly for the capital markets. But I have every confidence that as interest rates flatten out and perhaps start to go back down in the last quarter of this year, certainly from our BOJ perspective, I think the markets are going to pick up back tremendously.
There are persons who are worried. There are persons who are concerned about what's happening on the markets. Is there really a cause for concern? What would you say to those investors?
Yeah, absolutely not. Absolutely not. As long as you're focused on having a balanced portfolio of stocks and bonds and real estate, you need not worry. The capital markets have never been stronger. So whether you're, investing in J-dollar bonds, US dollar bonds, or Jamaican dollar equities, I think you just have to focus on good credit. And once your focus is there, I think you have nothing to worry about.
And that was the Financial Week. International stories when we return.